Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. We have a bit of a different video for you this time. So we have been sent a product to review, and this product couldn't have come at a better time for us. So we are actually heading up to Scotland for Christmas and New Year. Yeah, so because of that, of course, we are going to be struggling for power. Then we've been sent this big bad boy. So let's get it opened and see what's inside. We are also going to do another review at the end of here after 3 weeks to see how we found the actual product, to see whether it's been worth the money, the pros and cons of it. So yeah, stay tuned for that. But until then, let's get out in this box and have a look and see what we've got. Bit of a sneaky peek. Ooh. So yes, so if you haven't seen already, so this is actually a power bank. So for us, we have been waiting forever to get a power bank. We've been looking at them, we've been checking out prices, and it's just, yeah, a little bit beyond our means. So yeah, so we got sent one of these, and yeah, we are super excited to give it a try out. Not only does it come with a power bank, it also came with the solar panels. So Andrew was chuffed with these solar panels. So it is pop-up ones, 200 watt, that plug directly into this. Right, let's have a look at you. Ooh. Oh, it looks all so fancy. So there is handles. So she's chunky and rather heavy, I'm not going to lie. Let's get into what she has. So she has 2 wireless charging on the top. So you just pop your device on the top. So you have 4 sockets. So these are all 4 sockets. It does have an LCD screen. It has your C2C, your USB, and the cigarette lighter. It's green on the other side, Andrew. Another good thing about this product is if you were to have more than one, you can extend them. So very much similar to like a battery where you can add another battery to it. You can add another battery to this. I'm liking the green. There is also an app for this, which we're going to have to download. And then the other side has your AC, your mains. A month later, so we've had the ALLPOWERS machine for a month. We have put it through its paces. It has been a few off-grid adventures. We did Castleton for a whole week. We've done in the middle of, we've got a snowstorm right now, so it's absolutely Baltic. A -6 degrees it is right now outside this van. Yeah, so it's cold. But this bad boy, well, what can we say? So we did Castleton. We purposefully did all of our gadgets. So that is a laptop, 2 mobile phones, a switch, e-cig. We've managed to do all of that for a week of one single charge of this machine. We have been a bit clever and we've made sure where we've said, right, okay, we've got 10-15% a day. Let's see how far we can push it. Now, obviously we know that they aren't cheap. They are quite a chunk of money. That is one thing I will say, they are quite a chunk of money. They have given us a discount code. So the link below for a discount code. Also a referral code, just we make a little tiny percentage of money if you buy anything from them. There is no obligation to buy anything. But yeah, so this machine, I'm not even kidding you, has been literally a godsend. So we did go over all the bits at the beginning, but I will go over them again now I actually know what they all do. So on the top there is 2 ordinary wireless charging points. So it is just ordinary charging, it isn't fast charging, but they work, they're grand. Yep, great. All you have to do is just push. So you've got 2 individual buttons. This button on this side controls this little bit here for your USBs and your C2Cs and your wireless. So all you do is just turn it on. That's it. That is all that's going away. And then you've got this one here, which is for your 4 plugs. So it has a built-in inverter as well, which I think is absolutely brilliant. Let's quickly show you everything that you need to do and how fast it is to quickly plug something in on charge. So we've just got a C2C cable, which is just for the laptop. So turn the button on. There you go. That is this section now turned on. So if you do hold that button in for 3 seconds, turns your Wi-Fi and your Bluetooth on. But all you do is turn it on, that's your power going. Plug it in, okay? Plug it into the side of your laptop, and then if you watch the LCD screen, this is the smart bit Andrew loves. On here, obviously, you can only see, it just says 1 day. So that's the only information it's giving you. When you actually look on the phone actually tells you you've got 1 day and 21 hours. So yeah, so it gives you quite a bit more information on the app compared to the LCD screen, because obviously you can only fit so much information in that tiny little display screen. So yeah, I think one of the best selling points for Andrew is the fact you plug it in and it actually gives you a countdown of how long you can charge a specific thing for. Another thing, we have had our actual batteries charging off this. So because it's absolutely freezing at the minute, our batteries went below the 13 volts, which meant we didn't have our diesel heater. So we thought, you know what, let's plug our actual battery chargers into this, and it actually charged them up. So we didn't die last night at -6 degrees. We actually had diesel heater. So yeah, I'm in love with it. In case I haven't realised, I actually love it. The one thing I will have to just remind you, because we didn't realise this at the beginning, you have to download the app to be able to actually get onto the behind the scenes things, because something we didn't realise is this actually has 3 different types of charge. So when you plug it into your wall, you can have it on just a normal sub charge, which is up to 400 watts. You can then put it up again up to 1000 watts, and then you can actually put it up to a supercharge, which is 1500 watts. Also, it did take us a little bit of a while to get onto the wireless side of things. One thing is the instructions. They are very, very simple on certain things, maybe a little bit too simple when it comes to how to get onto the Wi-Fi side of things. So it did take us a little bit of a Google and a bit of a fanny on to try and get onto that. But the Bluetooth was absolutely brilliant. It connected straight away. We had no issues with it, like, at all. Another great thing on the Bluetooth, so the whole entire LCD screen, this is a bit more of a simpler version than what you actually see on your phone. So your phone will tell you what you've got plugged in at this moment in time. You can turn it on and off, which I thought was brilliant. So another good thing about this, or what came with this, is we actually got the solar panels. So it is a fold out solar panel. We did try to get it out. We kind of had a little bit of an issue because the cable is quite small, or quite short, sorry. So for us, we kind of had to like either hang it just outside the door or over on this side. And the other issue was there was no solar. The sun just disappeared. Though every time we tried to get it out to test it, to try and get some footage of it, there was just no sun at all. The solar panels, yeah, are pretty easy to put out. They just plug straight directly into the side here. Just would help if we had some sun, which we didn't. But one thing that did was absolutely brilliant is when you plug it into the wall, yeah, it is so fast. We did it on the 400. It took us about an hour and a half to get up to the 80%. We then did it up to the 1000 and it just flew. We were just watching it tick up. It was so bizarre to watch it going up that fast, because we know how fast it takes to actually take the 1% away. But yeah, a brilliant little machine. The only other thing that I wish, and we will find a way of doing it, is I wish it either had a carrier case or it had some sort of transport, because it is heavy. It isn't the most comfortable if you're going to try and take it in somewhere to charge it when you're wild camping. We did take it into my mum's pub. We've had it a few times up into the pub, but it does weigh quite a bit. So I think if it came with a carry case, so yeah, Allpowers, if you're deciding to make a carry case for it, send us one, please. Thank you. At the moment they are on sale. They are for the actual whole entire kit. So this is this model, as well as the solar panels and all the cables and everything else that come with it. They are currently on deal. I think you're saving about 300-400 quid. We have also got a discount code below as well, so that if you buy anything, then you get a bit of money off, and it also gives us a little bit of income coming in as well. We wouldn't advertise a product if we weren't 100% behind it. Like you can see in this channel, we do not advertise products. It's just something we don't do. This is our first one, and yeah, I would 100% recommend it. In summary, it just works. And what more do you want from a product than to do its job, and do its job well? Scotland in winter with a power bank might just make it.